ओम अखंडानंद संबोधो वंदनादि यस्य जायते गोविंदं तमहं वंदे चिदानंदतनुं गुरुं शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्लोक नंबर 17 टीका। नित्यानित्य वस्तु विवेक is being discussed. परम निर्विशेषम ब्रह्मैव नित्यम. Nirvishesha Brahma, the unqualified Brahma, alone is eternal. It cannot be subject to any negation. Abadhyam. It is Desha Kala Vastu Paricheda Shunyam. Unconditioned by space, time, or objects. And Mundaka Shruti is there. Nityam Vibhum Sarvagatam Sushukshmam. It is all pervading, eternal, infinite, and very subtle. Very subtle because it doesn't have any form. It pervades my entire being and everything around. Around means in the whole universe. That consciousness which was present before any creation began. That is Brahma. Everything else which is part of creation, anyattu sarvam anityam. It is ephemeral, subject to destruction. Yat kinchit kriya karaka phala rupam tat sarvam anityam. Anything that has some kriya, karaka, it is the result of kriya and karaka in the form of phalam, all are anitya. This kind of understanding is called viveka. That Brahma is nitya, everything else is anitya. Vedanam iti akara buddhihi jnanam. This kind of jnanam should take place. Now somebody says, but I am a student. I have come to you, O teacher. I don't know what is Brahma. You are asking me to do Nitya Anitya Viveka, and Nitya Vastu is Brahma. So it is said, Yadyapi sadhakena Nitya Brahmano Guru Mukhat Shravanam na krita. He has not understood what is Brahma yet, because he has not done any Shravanam. Tathapi tasya apatato jnanena nityam vastu asti. Iti saha nishchayavan. Viveka samarthya sampanno bhavati. He is endowed with the ability to do Viveka. Because this much he knows, there has to be something real, permanent, eternal. Beyond all these seeming things which are changing. So that much jnanam he can have. Or at least he knows what is not eternal. So he can reject what is anitya vastu. Sarvam anyad anityam iti jnanam, such kind of knowledge is nitya nitya vastu vivekaha kathyate. This is called viveka. This is what is expected. How? Mridadikaranam nityam trishu lokeshu darshanat घटाद्यनित्यं तत्कार्यं यतस्तन्नाश ईक्ष्यते. Drishtanta is given an example. त्रिषु लोकेषु मृदादि कारणं नित्यं दर्शनात्. तत्कार्यं घटादि यतः अनित्यं तन्नाश ईक्ष्यते. In the three worlds, the karana of anything is relatively nitya. It is seen to be long lasting compared to its karyam. Like ghata is a karyam of mrittika, the clay. So karyam is vinashi, its nasha is seen. Therefore it is anitya. Trishu lokeshu yat karyam tat kritakam tad anityam. In the three worlds, whatever is karyam is kritakam, it is created, and it is anitya, it is impermanent. What is created is impermanent. Whether it is my body, any product, this universe, anything. Mridadi karanam nityam. Yat karanam tat karyapekshaya nityam iti darshanat. Karanam, like clay, etc., compared to the effect, karya, they are nityam. So the pot will break, it will become clay. So somebody says this knowledge everybody has. This knowledge is not what is the final thing. What is required is what is not permanent. I should not have desire for it. I should not have that as a goal in my life. That is what is required. So person can do viveka. What is eternal, what is not eternal. But if I still want what is non-eternal, that means I don't want Brahma. So then that viveka has no meaning. तत्कार्यम घटादि अनित्यम यतो यस्मात् तन्नाश ईक्ष्यते दृश्यते तस्मात् तद अनित्यम. That घटादि अनित्यम, that is the karyam. Yasmat tannasha ikshate, because we see the destruction of ghata, etc. Tasmat, therefore it is anityam. Na kevalam anityam, kintu yasya praga bhava pradvansa bhavo tasya atyanta bhavopi drishyate. Not only it is anityam, we question the very existence of it. It has a prior non-existence, means earlier it was not there. It has a posterior non-existence. After destruction, it is not there. Then in between, what is there? So Gaudapadacharya in Mandukya Karika, Acharya said, Adavante cha yannasti vartamane pi tat tatha. That which is not there in the beginning, that which is not there in the end. In the middle also, its existence is not real. Means it is not karana then. It will fall in the category of karyam only. That which has prior non-existence, that which has posterior non-existence, will never be called karanam. This is a famous karika, Mandukya, 2nd chapter, 5th karika. Tadhahi. Tathaivai tat jagat sarva manityam brahma karyatah tat karanam param brahma bhave nityam mridadivat. तथा एव एतत् जगत् सर्वं ब्रह्म कार्यतः अनित्यम. तत्कारणं परम ब्रह्म मृदादिवत नित्यम भवेत. Therefore, this entire jagat, which is the karyam of Brahma, Brahmanah karyatah karyatvat, it is anityam. And what is karanam? Brahma, which is nitya. Like the clay pot is karya, like jagat. Clay is like Brahma. So what do I need now? I should have detachment from the jagat. That is why this viveka should be done. तथैवेतत् सर्वं जगद अनित्यं ब्रह्म कार्यतः ब्रह्मणः कार्यत्वात् घटवत्. Therefore, all this jagat is, because it is karya of Brahma, karyatvat, it is anityam, like ghata. And the karanam, tasya jagatah karanam param brahma, brahma is the karanam, it is nityam bhavet, karanatvat, mridadivat, like mrid, clay, etc. So from karya, my attention should go to karanam. Then I should let go of karya. To let go of karyam, I should have vairagya from karya. To shift my attention from karya to karana, I should have vairagya towards karya. Otherwise, my attention will never go from karya to karana. I am stuck in karyam itself. So for both these reasons, I should have vairagya from karyam. When I am able to do that, then the Karanam Brahma will be revealed. And that Karanam Brahma will be revealed as my own self. Acharya Pravaraihi eva Uktam. And Acharya Bhagavad-pada, Acharya, he has said, Karyehi Karanam Pashyet, Paschat Karyam Visarjayet, Karanatvam Tato Nashyed, Avashishtam Bhaven Munihi. In Karya, which is the Ghata, I should see Mrittika first. Then Paschat Karyam Visarjaya. Then I should eliminate the Karya. Karanatvam Tato Nashyet. Then one should remove Karana. Karanam means Karanatvam. The Karana will have Karanatvam only with respect to Karya. If the Karya doesn't have its reality, then Karana will not have Karanatvam. Like when a Ghata is there, let us say. So in the beginning, I see a Ghata. And I think this is all that is there. Then I am told I should see clay here, because this is made up of clay. So I agree with that yes, there is clay and there is pot. So Karya, Ghata, Karanam, Mrittika, clay. Now if there are two things here, cause also and effect, then I should be able to separate them. But the fact is, if I separate the clay, Ghata will not remain. If I remove clay, Ghata will not remain. Therefore, Ghata is only Nama Rupa of the clay. So clay is really existing, but Ghata is not existing. So that Karya Nivritti has to happen at the level of buddhi. It will happen only if I have detachment from that karya. The reality that I give to the karyam, like this ghata, that reality should go. When that goes away, then there is only one thing, clay. Now it is not having karanatvam anymore, because there is no separate entity called karyam, effect. Cause and effect, there are no two things anymore. There is only one entity. And in one entity, you cannot say this is cause, because there is no effect. So then that one that remains without any idea of cause and effect, that one is to be recognized as the self. Brahma is the cause, Jagat is the effect. I see the world, I don't know where Brahma is. When Brahma is pointed out through scriptures, I should let go of the world. I should understand that Brahma is the only real thing, that is who I am. This is the technique of teaching Vedanta. And in that, I need lot of vairagya. So that is what is going to be elaborated after one or two shlokas in detail. So this nyaya is called adhyaropa apavada, the maxim of superimposition and negation. अध्यारोपवाद न्यायेन कार्य कारण विलक्षणम अशेष विशेष शून्यम चतुर्थम तुरीयम प्रकाशितम. By the negation of karya and karana, both ideas, that which is different from both, without any qualifications, adjectives, that is chaturtham turiyam prakashitam. Now there is a question. Etasmin ashankyate. Mridadinam karanatvat katham nityatvam vedanteshu brahmaiva nityam pratipaditam. How mridadi are nitya? So they are not really eternal. They are only relatively eternal compared to their effect. Eternal is only Brahma. In that there should not be any doubt. Sargam vaktyasya yastasmadva. Sargam vaktyasya tasmadva. एतस्मादित्यपि श्रुतिः सकाशात् ब्रह्मणस्तस्मा दनित्यत्वेन संशयः. सर्गम वक्ति श्रुतिः सर्गम वक्ति अस्य अस्य जगतः सर्गम उत्पत्ति. Shruti talks about the creation, beginning of this srishti, utpatti of this srishti. How? Tasmad vaya tasmad, through this kind of Upanishad Vakya in Taittiriya Upanishad, Brahmananda Valli. And therefore, from where? Brahmanaha Sakashat. Tasmad means from Brahma, Brahmanaha Sakashat. Tasmad Anityatvena samshaya. Therefore, Jagat is Anitya. In that, one should not have any doubt. Because sometimes people think, oh, all this is real. Or that Himalayas is there, stars are there, so many planets are there. They all are going to be there for eternal. So everything is Anitya. Other than Brahma, everything is impermanent. टीका यथा सौम्य एकेन मृत्पिंडेन सर्वं मृण्मयं विज्ञातं स्यात् वाचारंभणं विकारो नामधेयं मृत्तिकेत्येव सत्यम् इति श्रुत्या दृष्टान्तेन मृत्तिकायाः सत्यत्वम् उक्तम् न तत् परमार्थतः. In Shruti, Chandogya Shruti, it is said, Ekena Mritpindena Sarvam Mrinmayam Vijnatam Syat. By knowing the lump of a clay, all the vikaras which are the product of that clay, they all will be known. Because they all are Vacharambanam. They are only supported by the speech. They exist only at the level of tongue. There is no real thing existing outside. Vikaro namadheyam, nama matram. Vikara means karyam. Effect is only a name. Only the cause is real. Mrittika. In the Drishtanta, it is Mrittika. But in Darshtanta, it is Brahma. Iti Shrutya Drishtantena Mrittikayaha Satyatva Muktam. Na tat Paramarthata. As an example, Mrittika is Satyam. Not in reality. From absolute standpoint, to recognize Brahma, Brahma is not an object. Brahma is not dravya, material. Brahma is not an attribute. Brahma is not an action. And Brahma is not having any attributes like the sound, touch, form, taste, color, anything. Or smell, nothing. So to recognize that Brahma as my own self, I have to do lot of preparations. Then only I become an introvert personality. Then I recognize that reality as my own self. That is a sign of a mature seeker or a mature spiritual being. And the one who is able to do this at will, with ease, to shift attention from objects to the self, is a Mahatma. Everything else is just some words. Tasmad va etasmad atmanah akasha sambhutah. Now that Shruti is quoted, from that Atma Akasha Utpatti came. Ityadina Shruti Rasya Jagatah Sargam Brahmano Maya Vishishta Brahmanah Sakashat Vakti. By this kind of Upanishad statements, Shruti talks about the creation of the world from Brahma. From Brahma means from Maya Vishishta Brahma. So then Maya is there, then creation will come. Brahma devoid of Maya cannot create anything. All creation requires Maya Upadhi. Nirvayavasya nirvikalpasya brahmanah karanatvam anupapannam. That which is partless cannot create anything. It cannot become the cause. So Maya will become parinami upadana karana. And Brahma will become vivarta upadanam and nimittancha. Brahma will also become nimitta karana. A creation needs nimitta karanam and upadana karanam. Maya will be actually undergoing modification. So it will be parinami upadana. Brahma will be Vivarta Upadana, and Brahma also will be Nimitta Karana. Tasmat Jagato Anityatve na samshaya. Samshaya means a doubt. One should not doubt that the world will be permanent or impermanent. It is impermanent only. Vichikitsa na kartavya. Taduktam. Brahmajnana jagatjanma brahmano karanatvatah adhisthanatvamatrena karanam brahma giyate. Brahma ajnana jagat janma. Because of the ajnanam of Brahma, Jagat Utpatti takes place. And Brahmano akaranatvatah. Brahma doesn't have any karana. Brahma is not karanam. Brahma doesn't have karana. Brahma is only adhishthanatvam. Adhishthanatva matrena Brahma karanam giyate. Brahma gets this sanya, the name, as cause only because it doesn't produce anything. It exists, there everything appears. Like on a movie screen, so much drama goes on. So all that drama, the screen is not responsible for anything. Screen is just there. But without screen, nothing will happen. In Brihad Vartika, so on Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Bhagavan Bhashyakar has written Bhashya. On that, Sureshwaracharya ji has written Vartika. That's why he's called Vartikakara. 11,300 kind of shlokas he has written. On that, Anand Giriji has written Tika also. Asya dvaitendra jalasya yadupadana karanam ajnanam tadupashritya brahma karanam uchyate. Asya dvaitendra jalasya, this snare of duality, Asya Dvaitendra Jala, like magic show. Ajnanam is the Upadana Karanam. And that Ajnanam is Ashritya in Brahma. Therefore, Brahma is also called Karana. But Brahma is only Vivarta Upadanam, and Ajnanam is the actual Upadana Karanam Parinami. Actual means Parinami Upadanam is Ajnanam. यथा सर्वं भोग्यम अनित्यम तथा भोगायतनम अपि अनित्यमेव सावयवत्वात् इति प्रदर्शयति. And just as all the bhogya vastus are impermanent, bhogayatanam means there where all these are experienced is also anitya. Ayatanam can mean this physical body also. Ayatanam means the loka. Ayatanavan bhavati ya evam veda yopamayathanam veda ayatanavan bhavati. So ayatanam means a dwelling place. Sarvasya nityatve avayavatve na sarvatah siddhe vaikunthadishu nityatva matir brahma eva mooda buddhinam. Sarvasya anityatve, everything is anityam and everything is savayava. Savayavatvena sarvatah siddhe vaikunthadishu nityatvamati I brahma eva mooda buddhina. Everything is anityam, everything is savayava. Yad yad savayavam tad anityam. This is siddham. Then Vaikuntha is also savayavam. Vaikuntha also will be anityam. So in that Vaikunthadi loka, if somebody has Nityatva Brahma, सर्वस्य सावयवत्वेन अनित्यत्वं सर्वतः सिद्धम्. अवयवम् अनित्यत्वम् इज सर्वतः सिद्धम्. सर्वस्य अनित्यत्वे सिद्धे चतुर्दश भुवनानि अपि अनित्यानि. If everything is anityam, then all 14 worlds, all lokas will be anitya wherever you go. In other words, through upasana, if I attain greater worlds, they all are anitya. Through karma, of course, you don't get to higher worlds anyway, much higher. Only Pitraloka, maximum Swargaloka you can go. All of that is anitya. Here Vaikunthadi, everything is anitya. That is said. Atma va idameka evagra asin nanyat kinchana mishata sa ikshata lokanusrujai sruja iti srujai sruje aham sruje. Atma va idameka evagra asin. Atma alone was there in the beginning. Nothing else even blinked. This is Aitareya Upanishad of Rig Veda. Sa ikshata, he did ikshanam and he created the world. And he said, may I create the worlds. And he became the protectors of the world. He also created them. Sa ikshata imenu loka lokapalan nusrjayati. Those who are lokapala, the creator or the sustainers of the world, they were created. Guardians. So those who are created, whatever is created is subject to destruction also. It is all anityam. Yat kritakam tad anityam iti nyayat. Sarve lokaha lokapalaha anityaha. All the worlds, all the guardians of the worlds, they all are created. What is created is impermanent. So Vaikunthadi loka tasmat Vaikunthadi namapi anityatvam. Great worlds are also anitya. So what is shown here is I should have vairagya even from those which are considered as most peaceful, most joyous, most delightful worlds. From that also I should have vairagya. Because they are anitya. If I cannot have vairagya from some pleasures of the world, local, Brahma Jnanam, realization, they are all far-fetched ideas. Because Shastra is available, I may study. But I should not live in any illusion that I will attain realization with all my desires, fancies, attractions for the world, etc., etc. And I will get moksha also. Is another Bhranti. At least those people who think Vaikuntha is eternal, that is Bhranti. But those who think I will live my life with all attachment, pleasure, going here, there, enjoyment, etc., all wonderful bhoga, and I will get moksha also, is Mahamudha Buddhi. Yeshantu Vaikunthadishu Lokeshu Nityatvam Tesham Mudha Buddhinam Avivekinam Brahma Eva. This is their Bhranti only, they are Mudha Buddhi people. But remember always, the greater Mudha Buddhi is the one who thinks, I will continue to have all bhoga, this, that in the world. I will just show that I am present here also, present there also, I am attending something there. But really in my heart, there is no transformation. Really, I have not made a real choice of attaining Brahma. I still think it will somehow come by. That is biggest Bhranti. It is a joke of the Kalpa. अत्र विवेकं निगमयति अनित्यत्वं च नित्यत्वमेवं यच्छ्रुतियुक्तिभिः विवेचनं नित्यानित्य विवेक इति कथ्यते. In this way, through Shruti and Yukti, Anityatvam and Nityatvam, they have to be understood. And this Vivechanam, this separation, Vichara, is called Nityanitya Viveka iti kriyate. So these two are separated. Tika we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.